The accused is facing a charge of forceful detainer, contrary to Section 91 of the Penal Code. It is alleged on diverse dates between the 1st of February 2008 and 4th of October 2017, Embakasi Ranching Company in Embakasi area within Nairobi. The accused was found in possession of plots number A69 and A70 on land LR number 1094/2 without color of right, and held possession of the said land in a manner likely to cause breach of peace against one Joseph Indichu Kinu, who was entitled by law to be in possession of the land. The accused pleaded not guilty, and prosecution called 4 witnesses in support of their case. I will leave the summary, go straight to the findings so that we save time. I have considered the evidence given by both the parties in this case, as well as submission file. There is a case of forceful detainer. The ingredient to proof in this charge was spelled out in the case of Albert Ouma Matia, First Republic, where the court held, and I quote, "The ingredients required to establish a charge of forceful detainer under Section 91 of the Penal Code are as follows. Prosecution must establish that the accused is in actual possession of the parcel of land, which he had no right to hold possession of. The prosecution will also establish this if it adduces evidence which proves that the accused has no title or legal right to occupy the land. Secondly, the accused must be in occupation of the land in a manner that is likely or causes a reasonable apprehension that there will be a breach against a person entitled by law the possession of the land." From the evidence adduced, it is clear that the accused person is not in possession of the land. BW1, who is the complainant of this case, was told of ongoing constructions on the land. He visited the land and confirmed. BW2, who was the caretaker, found structure going up. He was told the parcel of land belonged to the accused. BW3 from Embakasi Ranching Company only came to this court to confirm that the land belonged to the complainant from their records. The investigating officer visited the land, but the accused was not there. It was claimed by witnesses that the person who was constructing was stopped by police. None of the prosecution witnesses met the accused person at the site. The contractor was not called as a witness to confirm if he was acting on instruction from the accused. All confirmed that the accused is not in occupation of the land. It appears from the evidence given that there were disputes over ownership, and parties alluded to the existence of civil cases in the High Court and Court of Appeal. And based on the evidence presented, there is nothing to show that the accused was or is in occupation of the plots allegedly owned by the complainant. The charge of forceful detainer was not proved to the required standard, and the accused is acquitted under Section 215 of the CPC.